Hello traders, Ippolito here. I want to do a quick update on the VIX. That was quick. I know in the last video and the Sunday night video I sent out, we could see a 12.5 print in VIX as we ran into some overhead. Yeah, that was a pretty quick move to the downside there in the VIX. And as the sell-off over, let's go to the SPX. Why not? Here we are recovering just like so many other sell-offs. We go down, we recover, and what it appears to be, at least in the SPX, we sold off. We recovered very nicely on Monday, and here we are sideways. We may kind of just trade sideways to slightly bullish until we start taking out 2482 and then 2490. This high 2485 has been the big level on the ES futures that we need to penetrate for the bulls to fully be in control of the market. One thing that is a concern for me, again, I can't ignore, is the Russell 2000. Still looking very bearish here in the Russell. So if you're into pairs trading, it could be long, large caps, short small caps as kind of a pairs trade there. But the Russell is showing relatively weakness, and I'm very cautious of that. I feel like if the Russell rolls over, the markets are going to roll over too. Transports have had a continuation bounce. I talked about this in the member video. It was something we were looking for, and transports definitely with the W-shape pattern in full effect. So transports are showing strength, small caps showing weakness. VIX is just completely collapsed. And I was making the point of this too in VXX. Let's say you buy it at 11.5, you could sell it at 12.5. You get your full dollar amount, full 1 point. Same with the VIX futures or spot VIX, and keep the rest on as a lotto ticket because this. A lot of people were like, oh no, I sold at 12.5. It went up to 14. Well, it's a lot better to sell at 12.5 than to be holding here at 11.5. So volatility products I'm not a big fan of. If you are worried about the portfolio being too overexposed to equities, there's no shame in going to bonds. TLT, gold, GLD. Gold is actually having a nice breakout here, and the yen, FXY. Another flight to safety, as we're seeing with the Fed minutes today. What are we seeing moving? We're seeing the yen move higher. We're seeing gold move higher. These are big moves, and we're seeing bonds move higher. So flight to safety, I feel like it's always smart to remember. You go flight to safety is up, bonds, gold, the yen. But if you look at, like, let's say the VIX, it's down 2.25%. So why would I want to trade the VIX as protection when I could trade other asset classes that are actually a flight to safety, not just a fear index where you have to be pinpoint on timing? So hope it helps. Keep it in mind. Feel free to email me anytime, Lance at tradingcoachlance.com.